get ready for an epic showdown. It's the BMW M8 Competition versus the BMW M4 CS in a thrilling quarter-mile drag race. Who's going to take the crown? Let's find out. Check out the BMW M4 CS 3.0L twin-turbo inline-six, 550 horsepower, all-wheel drive, 8-speed auto, weighs 1,760 kilograms, and costs around £117,000. Check out the BMW M8 Competition. It's got a 4.4L twin-turbo V8 with around 625 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and it weighs 1,760 kilograms, priced at about £137,000. This beast is all about power, but the lighter weight gives the M4Cs an advantage. It all comes down to one thing: who reaches the finish line first?
3, 2, 1.
And the surprise, BMW M4 CS takes the lead over the M8 in acceleration.
What's going on?
Why lighter weight and a sharper launch control give it the edge off the line. Both cars finished the quarter mile in just 10.8 seconds. Incredible performance. Even though the M8 has a more powerful engine, its extra weight and launch disadvantages gave the M4Cs the win. This proves that raw power alone, ISNT, everything, weight distribution, and how a car uses its engine make all the difference in a drag race. If you enjoyed this showdown and love seeing epic car battles, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. See you at the next race.